Well, here's a crazy one. 2005 F-150 4.6. It's the oxygen sensors are peg rich, and I did all the basic tests, and I was checking fuel pressure. Of course, to relieve the fuel pressure, we got to disconnect the fuel pump connector and run until it stalls. And normally on most vehicles, when I do that, you know, it'll stall within 30 seconds. This one, it'll run for 5 minutes or more with no fuel pressure. Like, what is going on? And you can see the oxygen sensors are switching right now, but they normally would not with the fuel pump running. And you can see the fuel pressure. It's basically no fuel pressure, and the engine's still running. It's been 2 minutes now, okay? But watch this. That is the PCV valve. Look at that. That's the breather hose. This thing is still running. Is that not the craziest thing you've ever seen?